The sound of the ocean, it's so comforting. Do you know that you have the sound of the ocean inside of you? It comes in and out with each breath. When you breathe out, think of making a soft ha sound. Can you hear it? And when you breathe in, bring that same sound with you. Each breath in is an inspiration directly from God, and each breath out is an opportunity to relax and let go into His arms. Won't you move, breathe, and pray every day with me? You are never alone, and I am praying for you. God bless.